The King of Wands is a card of visionary leadership, ambition, and charisma, and it represents the mastery of the element of fire. It embodies boldness, determination, and the ability to inspire others. King of Wands encourages us to lead confidently, act decisively, and bring our visions to life. Let's delve into its symbolism in the Rider-Waite imagery, looking at some astrological associations and interpretations. The King of Wands is a natural-born leader who takes charge of situations passionately and purposefully. He represents someone who's driven, confident, and focuses on achieving their goals while inspiring others. This card often signifies leadership and vision, which is the ability to guide others with a clear purpose and direction, charisma and confidence, a magnetic personality that draws people in and motivates them. Bold action, taking decisive steps towards goals with courage and determination. An entrepreneurial spirit, the energy to create, innovate, and bring ideas to fruition. It's a card of ambition and drive, where we have a strong desire to succeed and make an impact. The King of Wands urges us to harness that inner fire and take bold action to manifest our visions. Now, the Rider-Waite's depiction of the King of Wands conveys strength and authority. The king is seated on his throne. His confident posture reflects his mastery over passions and ambitions. The wand with its budding leaf symbolizes creativity, growth, and potential. Its budding leaves suggest new opportunities and the king's ability to nurture success. The salamander by his feet, well, salamanders are a sign of transformation. The lions and salamanders on the throne, well, these carvings symbolize courage and strength, the king's connection to that fiery element of ambition and leadership. And the desert landscape, well, the barren land emphasizes the king's ability to create growth and abundance, even in challenging or desolate situations. This imagery highlights the king's commanding presence, his determination, and the ability to grow and make progress. The Astrological Association is connected to Aries. Some Leo traits are courage, initiation, and a pioneering spirit. King of Wands mirrors Aries' fearless energy and leads to drive. The sun is the ruler, and the sun represents vitality, self-expression, and leadership. This aligns with the king's radiant confidence and dynamic personality. The King of Wands embodies a fearless, action-orientated energy that helps us focus on creating, leading, and inspiring. Some key points are visionary leadership, confidence and charisma, bold action, entrepreneurial drive, courage, and determination. When negative, we can be overconfident or arrogant, impulsive, lacking in direction, controlling issues, or experiencing burnout. So the King of Wands in a reading, well, this can be a person in your life, someone who is dynamic, who is passionate about their goals, and encourages others to pursue their own. It can be an aspect of you, a call to step into leadership and take charge of your vision. Or it can be a situation where we need a moment to embrace that entrepreneurial spirit and bring creative ideas to life. The king's connection to fire in this element is evident in the wand, the salamanders, and of course the lions. They all symbolize creativity, courage, and dynamic energy. Fire governs ambition, passion, and a drive to act. And the King of Wands demonstrates how to harness these qualities with control and purpose. His confident demeanor reminds us to be authentic in leadership when it comes to inspiring others through our actions and visions. When we interpret the King of Wands, we need to focus on leadership and vision. We need to consider the element, which is fire. We need to look at it in the context of where it lands in the spread, and look at the difference between this king and the other tarot cards. The King of Wands represents mastery and ambition within the court cards, and kings signify archetypes and energies. When we look at this, we are focusing on the personal mastery in leadership, creativity, and action. So the King of Wands symbolizes visionary leadership, ambition, charismatic energy, associated with Aries and the Sun. It highlights boldness, creativity, and dynamic presence. The Rider-Waite imagery captures his confidence and determination. It reminds us to lead passionately, to inspire others through our actions, whether representing a person, a situation, or a mindset. The King of Wands asks us to take charge, act decisively, and bring that vision to life while maintaining and balancing ambition with wisdom and responsibility. Let's show you some key words. Thank you so much for spending the time with me today. Remember, your growth as a tarot reader is a journey and every step counts. A quick pause here because I have something exciting to share. Over at tarotwithanne-marie.com, I've got a whole treasure chest of tools to help me grow as a tarot reader. And they are not just courses. These are ebooks packed with insights, fun quizzes to test your knowledge, and even a free natal chart calculator that will help you blend your astrology in your readings. If you're enjoying this tutorial, you'll love diving into the resources. Are perfect for expanding your skills and having a little fun along the way. If you're ready to dive deeper and truly transform your readings, why not head over to tarotwithanne-marie.com and check out my courses. Until next time, happy reading. I'll see you in the next video.